Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's have a look what are we gonna do. Here you have to press the clay and get them attached in this form along this, and then with the help of these earbuds you need to make it a little blush. Now here you have to make a hole in that and get them beautifully pressed in this manner, and on the top of it you need to get a woolen cap made on it. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further here you have to get them attached in this form, and with the help of these sticks you need to put it here. Now you can arrange them together in this manner. This is gonna look a little Christmassy and beautiful. You can get them beautifully made in this form. Now here get a clay, just make the round shapes in this manner and get them attached like this. You need to cut it halfway this way, and now get the 3 balls attached in this manner, these 5 balls on either side, and then with the help of another clay you need to make the raindrops in this form. You have to attach them together in this manner in a layer like this. Further here get a bottle, you need to secure it with the help of this sponge cloth, and then on the top of it you need to get the black sheet attached, and then get your honeybee ready. Now tie a thread on the top and put a lamp inside. This is gonna look cute. Further here again you have to get the cutouts of a cup and then draw it in this manner with the help of pencils and all. Get them painted and colored in this manner. Your monkey is ready to go. This is gonna look beautiful. Further here, what are we up to? You just have to get the crumbs of the eggshells of a tray. Then you have to spot it in this manner. Further here, what are we gonna do here? Just get them beautifully done in this manner over ice cubes like this. This is gonna look pretty. Further here again, what are we up to? You just have to get the sheets arranged in this manner, and with the help of clay you have to make it in this way. Just with the help of these markers you need to make the patterns and make it look like this. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Isn't it looking cool? Just make the birds and all and it will just steal your beauty. Make the fog and all as well. Further here again, over a cloud like this, you need to get the black sheet attached over it in the form of eyes, and then the cute little hearts on either side of the cheek, and here you have to make the ears as well, and on the top of it a horn. So this unicorn of yours is absolutely ready. This is looking so cute, right? You have to just make the drops and all, and further here just attach the sheets together and get them beautifully molded in this manner. Further here get these curvy lines in this manner beautifully folded. Further here get the sheet, you have to just fold them together in this manner with the help of scissors, and then here you have to cut it in this form. Further get them beautifully attached in this manner, and then you have to get the flowers like this. Now you have to attach the candies in between and get them made into this form. You have to make these. This is gonna look pretty, right? Further, let's have a look what are we gonna do next. You have to take the wrappers like this, get them molded in this form, and just tie them up in this manner, and your beautiful butterflies are ready to go. I hope guys you've enjoyed the video a lot. Thank you so much for watching.